Did you know your mouth is the gateway to your entire body? Poor oral health isn't just about cavities or bad breath. It can increase your risk of heart disease, complicate surgery, and even shorten your life. Our mouths are full of bacteria, most harmless but some harmful. When gum disease sets in, those bacteria can enter your bloodstream through inflamed gum tissue. Once in your blood, oral bacteria trigger inflammation throughout your body. This chronic inflammation increases risk for heart disease, diabetes, and other serious conditions. Bacteria from your mouth can cause infective endocarditis, an infection of the heart's inner lining. This is especially dangerous for people with heart conditions. Oral bacteria can also promote arterial plaque formation, accelerating atherosclerosis, and raising your risk for heart attack and stroke. This is why surgeons often recommend dental cleaning before major operations, to reduce bacterial load and prevent post-operative infections. Studies show untreated gum infections can lead to 2-3 times higher risk of surgical complications. Protecting your oral health is simple. Brush twice daily for 2 minutes. Floss daily and see your dentist every 6 months. Your smile isn't just cosmetic, it's a reflection of your overall health. If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you care about. Remember, your mouth is more than just teeth. Keep it healthy and you keep you healthy.